Okay, perfect. So before I start, I just want to say two things. One, this exercise is really not easy. It is a beginner level, but beginner level doesn't mean that it's easy. I had to do it on my first day on the job with no cybersecurity knowledge. And let me tell you that I wasn't even able to answer the first question for more than 3 hours. So it's okay. It's challenging, but that's the idea. The cybersecurity world is changing and evolving every day. So even if you know tools, at some point they're not going to be good enough because people make progress. Hackers are very, very smart. They find ways around tools that exist today. They find ways around technology, firewalls, whatever. So those exercises are really important for you to be able to understand that if you don't use the internet to look for solutions, you're going to have a hard time in the cybersecurity world because this is where you will find most of the answers. Okay. And I will jump into my screen. I will go over question by question. If you have anything you want to say while I do it, please stop me so I can review it with you together. But let's get started. So, what we understand from this exercise is that we have a secret agent trying to deliver information to us in an encrypted way. And the first mission tells us that she sent a message, which is an image. And behind the image, she hid some information. So that's what Mr. Aiken spoke about in the very first presentation about metadata, decryption, encryption, etc. We are provided with the link and they tell us that we need to, so if we can find the artist, we will be able to make progress. So we need to copy this link, which is the image that we're seeing right now. We all know who that is, but it's not giving us any information. Our job is to now find a way to extract information from this image. The first thing that I would do, I would go online and I will ask Google how to get info about an image. Then I can scroll down, and as I go, I can already see that there's metadata, which is what we talked about. So I assume it has to do with encryption. I keep scrolling down, and then at some point, you'll have to jump in to some tools and try to investigate and learn from it. So what I did is I went with my go-to link that I like, but you can go with any other one of the options that you have on Google. It asked me to select an image. I have a link, so I just download the image to my laptop. I go back here, I select the image, and this is what I get. All right, I get the metadata about the image itself, and the questions, the mission said, if we can find the artist, we can make progress. So I found the artist. It's CyberChef. I copy this answer, I go to my terminal, I paste it, and I move on to the next question. The next mission. The next mission tells me said that discovering the artist was helpful and is most likely a clue in itself. We believe that our agent had more information. Can you decode it? So we're seeing decode. It means something has been encrypted. Let's look at the tool again. If we're looking at all the metadata that we have right here, then of everything here, this is the only thing that stands out as abnormal. It's the camera model, and camera models should usually say the name of the company and then a serial number. So it will say Fuji, Nikon, stuff like that, but here it's just a combination of letters and numbers. So I assume that this is what is decoded. I need to find a way to turn this combination of numbers and letters into an actual message or something that makes more sense. So what I would do, if I have no cybersecurity knowledge, I will do online decryption. Can also do that. Decryption tools. And then I can try some of the tools that I have here to decode. Because I know a little bit more, I can already tell that the artist also gave me a hint. CyberChef is basically a decoding tool. So I go to my go-to, you can go to anything else. And now I have to start looking for the right operation in order to solve it. I know that this is from base 58. How would you know what it is? You wouldn't, unless you have knowledge. You would have to try them one by one. But since I do know, it's easier for me. So I'm choosing this one. I'm gonna put the camera model over here. And this is the output that I get. I get an IP address. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna go over here, paste the answer, and target 2 just opened. I have 2 missions as well. The IP address you found is an unlisted secret server used by the supplier. This seems to be the breakthrough we were looking for. What port could we use to gain more information? So now it's telling me, okay, you got the IP address, let's find a port. So again, I go online and I do stuff and I look for online port scanners. There's a ton of tools. I choose one, I play with it until I get what I need. So we need to find an open port. I go with my favorite tool. This is my favorite tool. I put the IP address in, click, and I start to scan. Now it takes a while for it to scan. Usually takes like a minute or 2 to scan. So in the meantime, if anyone has any questions or want me to clarify anything about what we did so far, just let me know. Does it make more sense now after that you saw what I was doing?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Okay,
Absolutely.
so it finished. I'm looking at the outputs and it was able to find 2 open ports. All right, so 2 vulnerable ports. One is 5,000 and the other one is 32,768. Easiest way to do it, since we only have 2, is just we're gonna test them both. So I'm gonna go with 5,000. Is it my answer? It's not the answer. So I'm gonna go with the other option. 32768. For some reason 3 doesn't want to work. That's it. 2768. So that was the right one. That was the port that we were looking for. And now the final question. Stunning work finding out the backdoor. Now let's find out what this server is used for. What is the system title? Now, if we have an IP address and we have a port, we can gain access to a website. So all we have to do in this question is take the IP address that we found here, colon, and then the port number. I'm gonna hit enter. I already know the answer because I already answered it. Let's go to a different one. Okay. Can you see the blue Google page? Hold on, let me share again so you will see the other page that I just opened. Do you see that one, the new Google page? Or do you still see the old one?
Yeah, I can see this one.
I'm sorry?
We can see this, but it doesn't seem like it's complete, or is it just my screen?
It's not complete yet.
It is just a Google page, a blank one.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's a new
Showing
Google
the
page.
address bar.
We can only see the
Address
search
bar
bar.
then, so-
You're
Oh,
seeing the
okay.
search
Hold on.
bar.